Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to convert your Word document into a PDF file on the 123apps.com website. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application or the website on your device. Then you should scroll down to the PDF Tools section and then click on Word to PDF. Tap on the Choose File button in the middle of the screen and then you should select your Word document from your documents. Tap on the Upload button and in a few seconds you will be able to check out the PDF file. Click on Download and here is your PDF file. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.